Australia are 2 runs ahead, so they're effectively 6 wickets for 2 runs. But their seventh wicket partnership between Cummins and Cameron Green, the newcomer, that's already lasted more than 100 plus balls. Is there another twist in the tale of this amazing test match? To find out more, tune into Jatin's Scorecard. India began the day with the unfortunate run out of Ajinkya Rahane. Ideally, they would have wanted Rahane and Jadeja to continue for another 50 or 60 runs to get them into a really safe position in this game. But as things have gone in this series, nothing comes easy. The Australians tend to hit back in the first session of every day's play, and that's how it happened. They hit back through a brilliant piece of fielding and a run out which actually looked clearly out with the naked eye turned out to be extremely close. So that was unfortunate for India, but I think that's where Jadeja again kind of stepped up. We all know Jadeja as someone who is highly talented, brilliant fielder, left-hander with the ball and the bat. But I've always felt that in a team sport, it's more important on how you channelize that talent, how you channelize your cricketing intelligence to get the best result for the team. And I think Jadeja has done that perfectly in this test match. 100% उनके पास इतनी नेचुरल टैलेंट है और वो टैलेंट है स्ट्रोक प्लेइंग में, बिग हिटिंग में. लेकिन ये टेस्ट मैच में वो एट्रीब्यूट्स नहीं चाहिए थे. वो ये टेस्ट मैच में जो इम्पोर्टेंट था उन्होंने परफेक्टली किया. और इम्पोर्टेंट क्या था कि बैटिंग फॉर लॉन्ग पीरियड्स, बिल्डिंग पार्टनरशिप्स, maintaining focus. So I think these areas are some of the fantastic kind of attributes of Jadeja which he has shown in this test match. I think he's already grown as a batsman. और हमने उनके लास्ट 3-4 साल के बैटिंग एवरेजेस देखे. ही इज एवरेजिंग मोर देन 45-50. So I think now there is a genuine kind of coming of Ravindra Jadeja as an all-rounder for Team India. The all-rounder which the Indian team has always been looking for could be Ravindra Jadeja. So it will be interesting to see how he bowls tomorrow to the last 4 wickets, because I think he'll be crucial. Tailenders के against रहाणे एक एंड से स्पिनर तो रखेंगे. अभी वो अश्विन होंगे या जडेजा होंगे वो देखना पड़ेगा. लेकिन टेल एंडर्स के अगेंस्ट एक या मे बी दोनों एंड से रहाणे स्पिनर्स को ट्राई करेंगे. एंड आई थिंक जडेजा विल बी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम दैट कॉन्टेक्स्ट एज वेल. आज का भी दिन इतना एनग्रॉसिंग था, इतना इंटरेस्टिंग था, लेकिन 2 मोमेंट्स थे दिन में विच रियली वर टेरिफिक टू वॉच. वन वॉज Ashwin operating, coming round the wicket. We spoke yesterday about जो अश्विन की वो जो ओवर स्पिनर है या जो द डिलीवरी विच गो स्लाइटली टूवर्ड्स स्लिप और स्ट्रेटन्स अप. हमने कहा था कि आज के दिन में वो डिलीवरी से उनको परचेस मिलेगी, बिकॉज आज विकेट थोड़ी फर्मर होगी कल से. एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट हैपेंड. ही केम इन राउंड द विकेट, सेट द ट्रैप फॉर Labuschagne, and it was fantastic to watch. So that was the first moment. The second moment was Bumrah against Steve Smith. So there was obviously again some kind of plan there that they will surprise Steve Smith with this ball on leg stump, because if you've seen Steve Smith, वो अपने crease में बहुत you can say that he walks around the crease, steady नहीं रहते. बट इसके पहले मैंने देखा नहीं है कि स्टीव स्मिथ राउंड द विकेट, राउंड द लेग्स ऐसे आउट हुए हैं. बट टुडे दैट प्लान वर्क टू परफेक्शन. बिल्कुल एक लेग साइड लेग स्टम्प की बेल गिर गई, एंड दैट वाज द बिग मोमेंट नंबर 2 फॉर इंडिया. Tomorrow is going to be another very big day for India. Pat Cummins is no mug with the bat. If you've seen Pat Cummins, he is the ultimate team man. If you've noticed him in the field, he is a 200% man, and he is not going to go away without a fight. I think India will have to get Pat Cummins out. They will have to think about Pat Cummins literally as an all-rounder and not categorize him as a tail-ender. I think if they can break this partnership, then you will see some fireworks, because if you saw the Australians, Stark and Cummins had a go at Siraj, they had a go at Umesh Yadav, they had a go at Jadeja. When I say have a go, short pitch bowling, जो लेग साइड की फील्ड रख के जो इंटिमिडेटिंग बॉलिंग थी वो हमें देखने मिली. और जब भी स्टार्क या हेजलवुड बैटिंग को आएंगे तो आप देखोगे कि बुमराह उनको जो ये पे बैक है वो इंटरेस्ट में दे देगा मेरे ख्याल से. बिकॉज फास्ट बॉलर्स जो है उनकी मेमोरीज बहुत लंबी रहती है, वो कभी भूलते नहीं कि उनको किसने कभी कैसे बाउंस किया था. तो उमेश यादव तो अंदर है, थोड़े इंजर्ड है अभी, लेकिन Bumrah will have a go at the Australian tailenders, and it's going to be very important on how India close this entire innings as fast as possible. And I think here again Rahane's captaincy will come into focus. Let's see how things pan out tomorrow. I'll join you at the same time for another show of Jatin's Scorecard. It's great to read all your guys' comments, so please keep them coming. I also get many tweets on on my Twitter handle using the Ask Jatin hashtag. Please keep them coming. I try to reply to them on the fly while watching the game, because like you all, even I will be up at about 4:45 in the morning trying to catch every ball of the day's play tomorrow. So let's hope it all works out well for India, and I'll catch you soon.